Most programs are already using AI, but are they using AI with a system behind it? I'm Will Dudley, a multimedia veteran, ESPN alum, and the creator of Winbook, a content framework built for sports organizations. Let's talk about how AI fits into that system on this episode of Sport of Content. Here's the thing about AI and Winbook. AI is a multiplier. That's it. It takes what you already have and makes it faster, more consistent, and more scalable. But a multiplier on nothing is still nothing. If you don't know your content identity, AI can't find it for you. If your audience isn't mapped out, AI is just guessing who it's talking to. If your team doesn't have an approval process, AI can't really help you there either. Structure first, always, every single time. That's not a win book rule just for the sake of having a rule. It's the order of operations. You build the foundation, and then you bring in AI to run on top of it. When the foundation exists, AI gets specific. It drafts in your voice. It knows your audience. It produces content that actually sounds like your program. Without it, you're just moving faster in the wrong direction. Build the structure, then let AI do its job. So here's the thing nobody wants to say: AI makes it easier to produce mediocre content at scale. That's a trap. If you use AI to post more of the same generic stuff, you haven't improved your content strategy at all. You've just automated your mediocrity. AI doesn't make a broken system better, it makes it faster. And a fast broken system is substantially worse than a slow one. The programs winning with AI are the ones who use it to get to a better starting point. And then they add the human layer that makes content actually worth watching. The human layer is by far your advantage. Don't automate that away. So let's get practical. Here are 3 ways you can start using AI in your sports content operation right now without overwhelm and without a single tutorial. Number 1, the content calendar. Most teams dread building it. AI can do the heavy lifting on the first draft. Use AI to draft your content calendar and give it your season schedule, your 3 content tiers, and ask it to map out a month of content themes. You'll still edit it, but you're working with a head start instead of a blank page. Number 2, repurposing. One piece of content should never just be one piece of content. After a big game or event, drop your raw notes or quote into an AI tool and ask it to write a caption, a short form script, and a headline. 3 pieces from one input in under 5 minutes. That's impressive. Number 3, research and positioning. This is especially useful if you're working on the NIL side. If you're building an NIL pitch for an athlete, use AI to draft the first version. The brand's audience, the value prop, the ask, all of that. And then put your voice on it. AI in content does 3 things really well: it speeds up first drafts, it helps you think through strategy, and it scales repetitive tasks. This will save you a ton of time. What it does not do: it doesn't know your program's voice, it doesn't know your athletes as people, and it doesn't replace the human judgment you need to tell a story that actually connects. That's your job. AI is the assistant, but you're still the director. This is the thinking behind Winbook, the content system I built specifically for sports organizations. It covers everything from brand identity to workflow to scale. AI is integrated into it because it makes the whole system more efficient. But AI alone is not the system. So here's what I want you to walk away with: AI works when the structure is already there. And building that structure is what this show is for. Every week, we go deeper. Every week, you get better. That's the deal. Hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And drop a like if this was worth your time. If you're really serious about building a content operation, I gotta say you're in the right place. I'm Will Dudley, and thanks for watching Sport of Content. Stay with me, trust the process, and let's get the dub.